Hey everybody, welcome back to another Gengolingo mini lesson. Today's lesson is part of our how-to series and we've got a special topic for you. This is a special technique that'll get you talking and build good conversations.
That's right.
The technique is called AAA.
AAA. AAA?
AAA.
Okay.
A. Maui, help us out. What does AAA mean?
Okay. AAA is answer,
Yes.
add,
Yes.
ask.
She got it right this time, guys.
What do you mean this time?
Haha.
Okay, so AAA is, I would say it's a conversation technique
Yeah.
or a conversation communication tool
Ooh.
that you can use in any level of conversation. Maybe instead of talking about it, we can do an example.
Yes.
Okay, so in this first example, Jeff is not going to use AAA, and
Okay.
we'll see what happens.
Okay.
Okay?
Yep.
Hey, Jeff,
Hey.
how was your weekend?
Good. Oh, okay. Yeah.
So uncomfortable.
Yeah. That conversation died.
Yeah,
Yeah.
pretty fast,
Mhm. Yeah.
right? Okay, so now I'd like Jeff to try
Okay.
and display AAA.
Okay. That's
Okay?
good. Yeah.
Hey, Jeff,
Hey.
how was your weekend?
Oh, very good. Yeah. I played a round of golf this weekend. How about
Great.
you?
Oh, yeah, actually, I didn't play golf, but I played volleyball.
You played volleyball?
Yeah, I went to the beach and played some volleyball.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah. Okay, very good, right?
Already the conversation is building.
Yes.
We're going somewhere.
Exactly, right? So when Jeff only answers with, oh, it was good, and he doesn't give any other detail, right? Me, Maui, I feel a bit like, okay, like, can
Does
I
he want to talk to
Exactly,
me?
exactly.
Should I go?
Yeah, right?
Hmm.
I'm trying to read him, and I have to either ask another question
Yes.
or, but it's strange, right? It's not natural.
No.
Mhm.
Yeah.
But what Jeff did was he answered, he said, oh, it was good. And then he added something. I played golf this weekend,
Yes.
right? So at that point, I could have asked him another question about golf. I could have asked a follow-up question. Or, but he asked back, right? He said, how about you?
Right.
So then now I was able to give my answer, it was good. And then, right, I played volleyball on the weekend.
Yeah.
So now we have two things we can talk about, golf or volleyball.
That's right. So
Right.
your question to me could be like, Jeff, do you play volleyball? Or, you also mentioned a beach. Have you been to the beach recently?
Where did you go?
Yeah, all
Right?
kinds of things open up
Yes.
when we do AAA.
Exactly. So, in small talk, right, when you ask somebody a question or when somebody asks you a question, I guess, yeah, try to practice AAA. This is in your lessons as well, right, to get your student talk time up,
Yes.
right? And trying to practice natural conversation, it's always a good idea to use this technique. Okay? I was going to add something, but it completely slipped my mind.
It's one of the basic questions that people ask when we're meeting.
Yes.
Is, how are you?
How are you?
Right. So what did you want to add about how are you?
Well, how are you is interesting because it's such a basic question, but AAA is would be forced here.
Yes, right.
Right? So when someone asks, how are you, the natural response is,
I'm good. How are you?
Exactly. I'm good. How are you? Or I'm good.
Yeah.
How about you?
I didn't add anything, right? Yes.
You didn't add anything. But in this situation, it would be up to me to then add something to keep the conversation going. Right?
Yeah.
So it doesn't have to be anything like major.
Yeah.
Right? It could just be, well, let's try it.
Okay.
Okay? So, hey Jeff, how are you?
Hey, I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good, but I'm really busy today.
Oh, really? Why?
Yeah, well, I've got about 5 lessons, and then I've got to do some homework correction, and then I've got to pick up my kids from daycare.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. What do you have planned for the day?
Actually, I'm not doing anything today. I think I'll just lie on the couch, maybe take a nap. You know, my regular day.
Exactly, right.
Yeah.
Sarcasm. Yes, but that's an example, right? So if someone asks you, how are you? Then it's very common to give that first great or something and then
that's right.
Throw it back.
I think you'll see that very often. How are you? I'm good. How are you? I'm good. Next question, probably like what's new? Or what have you been doing recently? Or hey, cool earrings. Where did you buy those?
Yeah,
Something
right.
like that.
Okay, well, please try AAA in either your next lesson or the next time you speak to someone.
Yeah.
If it feels unnatural at first, I mean, maybe it should feel unnatural because you are trying to continue the conversation where there might not be if you didn't say anything. So just keep practicing. Let us know how it goes. Yeah.
Great.
Okay.
All right. We'll see you next time.
Okay. Thank
All right,
you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. はい、皆さんこんにちは。今雷聞こえましたか？ There's lots of thunder here in Tokyo. 今東京には結構雷が鳴ってるので、はい。でも今日のビデオ How to AAA は本当にいいコミュニケーションツールなので、皆さんにもぜひ使っていただきたいです。誰かと先生と会話するとき、それかも本当に新しく誰かを紹介されて、その人のことを知りたいときとか、毎日会う人でもいいので、AAA を覚えてて、簡単ですよね。AAA って覚えるのが、覚えてて使ってみると、会話がそれだけ伸びたり、それだけ大きくなって、楽しくなると思うので、絶対使ってみてください。ちょっとした復習ですが、最初の A は答える、answer、答えるですね。それは本当にもう、一個の単語で、I'm good とか I'm great, it was good, it was great っていう感じで使うのでもいいですし、で、2番目は add 何かを足す、なんかディテールを足す。例えば、週末どうでしたか How was your weekend? 聞かれたら It was great だけだと会話が進まないので It was great で何かやったこととか天気のこととか何でもいいので何かを足す。で、3番目は ask なので聞き返す。必ず聞き返すと、やっぱり会話の中のルールっていうか、マナーですよね。聞き返すことは。だからその最後の聞き返すのを結構生徒さんも忘れてしまうので、それは必ずしようとしてください。はい。それだけです。役立ちましたでしょうか？コメントで教えてください。See you next time. Bye!